In this presentation, I'm going to talk about how to access the FDA sanitary transportation training link for carriers of human and animal food. So if you go into the free training videos link off the CFD FSMA website and you scroll down, there's a number of different training topics on this page, including this training. But down here, this is the guidance for industry that I talked about earlier in the first presentation. And then here is a link to the FDA training on sanitary transportation of human and animal food. This takes you to the FDA website, and it gives you a brief overview of the rule from a carrier's perspective. Here is the training module launch. When you do this the first time, there may be some additional steps in terms of setting it up in your system requirements and all of that, but I've used this before. So this is the link that you'll want. Don't use the LMS administrator one because that is not for the general use. So when you launch the online course, it takes you to a presentation. It's not an audio presentation. You need to read it, but you just click on the next button and there's introduction. And as you scroll through the various pages and read the material, you can click on the links and it will give you some additional information. Any word that's underlined. There's course objectives and information about the rule. As you get to the end of each of the topics, each of the sections, and again, these are links here so that you can find more information. But what I want to show you at the end of each section is a quiz. And so, our knowledge check, as they call it. So you're going to answer the questions and it will score your answers. And then after you go through the entire course, you can enter your name and print out a certificate. And that is all it takes. There are, as I said, 2 modules that are specific, that are applicable to animal food, 2 that are more applicable to human food. But I recommend that you take the whole thing so that you can actually get a knowledge certificate at the end of it. The whole thing takes about 20 minutes, 25 minutes, depending on how fast you read. And I recommend that all of your truck drivers take this, anyone working in direct negotiations between the carriers and the shippers should take this. And it's good information. So I hope this has been helpful. Thank you.